Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of this person unavailable on Messenger. On Messenger app, you will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you are scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.